What are you doing?
Cookies.
You're what?
Baby cookies.
Oh, you're feeding Bailey?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of nice of you, but he already has a bowl of food.
Oh no! Baby fall.
Bailey's full?
Feet.
Oh, his food fell?
Oh, feet. Daddy, feet. 4.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, daddy. Watch. Wow.
Wow. Put it back in the bin, please. Thanks.
Whoa. Watch, baby. Whoa. Abby, eat that.
Oh, no.
Baby,
Okay, let's put the spoon away. That's enough food for Bailey tonight.